Welcome and hello everyone. My name is Jazmi bin Muledi, and today I'll be guiding you through a powerful tool in problem solving for project management, that is Ishikawa diagram, also known as fishbone diagram. And I will tell you a bit how it fits into the Six Sigma methodology. Okay, let's start with Six Sigma. Six Sigma is structured, data-driven approach that helps us eliminate defects in any process. Think of it as a method to boost efficiency and consistency. One of the tools used in Six Sigma is the Ishikawa diagram. It has something else like Pareto and other thing. This Ishikawa helps us visually map out every possible cause behind a problem, especially during brainstorming. Okay, before we continue to deeper uh, about Ishikawa diagram, so we have to know who created it, who used it, when it was created. So the Ishikawa diagram, created by Kaoru Ishikawa in the 1960s, it helps us identify the root causes of problems. It's also known as the fishbone diagram or cause and effect diagram. If you ever ask, why is this happening multiple times, this is the tool to structure your thinking. In the company, Ishikawa diagram is always been used in the company to solve a problem, to diagnose the cause and effect. So they use the Ishikawa diagram or fishbone. Okay, here you can see the fishbone diagram. It really looks like a fish with a bone. The head represents the main problem. The spine connects the head to the major cause categories. We call these bones. You can see the red color, green, that is the bones. Each bone has sub-branches. They represent the more detailed causes. This structure makes it easy to see how everything is connected. Here you can see how manufacturing use the fishbone. So they prefer to the 6Ms: machine, method, material, manpower, measurement. In the machine, they also always prefer to equipment, technology, tools, and the method, processes, procedure, techniques. Next is material, raw materials, components, supplies, and manpower is human resources, skills, training, and lastly measurement. They measure the data, metrics, analysis, mother nature, and this gives us a complete view from equipment to human factors and even external conditions. So maybe we have already been asked why use this diagram. So here I'm going to tell you about the benefits using Ishikawa diagram. So firstly, it improves problem solving. Ishikawa diagrams helps in identifying the root causes of problems, leading to more effective problem solving strategies. Second is enhanced communication. So to complete the Ishikawa diagram, it has to communicate to the teams, brainstorming. And next is team collaboration. As I said, the previous benefits, it enhances communication, also related to team collaboration. It creating an Ishikawa diagram often involve a collaborative effort, bringing together different perspectives and expertise. So when brainstorming, everyone has a right to talk and to discuss what is solving problem strategies. So lastly is continuous improvement. Ishikawa diagrams are a tool for continuous improvement. They help in identifying areas for improvement. So they improve from the top to the end, and it will continue to solve the problem even the problem get to the top again, and we can use it continuous. Okay, let's apply it to the automotive world. As you can see here, Luca 2015. The industry is diesel engine. The problem they identified is pressure loss in common rail system. So the problem they can detect from the Ishikawa diagram after the discussion, brainstorming, meeting, team collaboration. They found the human error, faulty materials, poor maintenance. So how to how the outcome from the Ishikawa diagram is to reduce the defect rate. So next we discuss about Jarosova 2015 industry drive shaft manufacturing. So the problem identified is defects in half shaft production. So from the Ishikawa diagram, they detect the inadequate training, the machine way, and bad materials. So the outcome is to improve product quality. Uh, my reference is Nugoro and Shah 2015. They demonstrated this clearly in their case study using fishbone and Pareto analysis. So as you can see here, it's not just for machines or manufacturing sectors, even a healthcare sector use it. Agencies like AHRQ recommend it for root causes analysis of patient safety events, whether it's misdiagnosis or delayed treatment. Mapping out potential costs helps hospitals improve their system. So there are three types of Ishikawa diagram other than fishbone. So firstly is fishbone, as I talked about it uh, in the beginning. Second is cause and effect diagram, and lastly is the tree diagram. The fishbone diagram is the most common used in the industry for solving problem because it very visual and very clear. Then we have the cause and effect diagram, same structure but more focus on the relationships. And lastly, the tree diagram, which is more layered and it great for complex issues. So this is how application on problem solving. This tool is especially useful for solving problems systematically. We identify root causes, encourage collaboration, and visualize complex relationship. And lastly, it helps us document everything clearly for reports or team discussion. Now, let's compare Ishikawa with another tool, the 5 whys. The 5 whys is simple. Just keep asking why until you reach the root cause. It's like peeling an onion layer by layer. So the 5 why is straightforward approach involving the repetitive asking of why. It's akin to detective methodically questioning to get to the heart of the matter. This simplicity, however, comes with its own set of limitations. So here is the advantage for fishbone. It more offers it offers more structure. It's ideal for team brainstorming, and it helps group ideas into categories, which makes complex problems easier to manage. On the other hand, the 5 whys is quicker and easier to apply, especially when time is short. It doesn't need a diagram, just a good brain and notebook. So here is more detail on comparison of Ishikawa and 5 whys. So when should we use which one? Use the fishbone when you want a deeper team-based analysis. Use 5 whys when speed and simplicity matter. Both are great, it depends on the situation. As you can see, the approach visual structured diagram for Ishikawa, but for 5 whys is question based, simple and linear. So when to use it? Use Ishikawa diagrams when you're facing complex issues, want to improve a process, or need to understand customer feedback better, whether it's product development, marketing, or even club planning. These tools very fits in. Okay, here how the Ishikawa fits into the DMAIC or the mic. So as we know, the DMAIC define, measure, analyze, improve, and control. First, we brainstorm causes, then use 5 whys to dig deeper, then apply check sheets and Pareto charts for data collection and prioritization. The integration with other tools, how they work together. So we can see this diagram also work well with the digital tools. Today, many platforms allow us to customize, share, and even interact with Ishikawa diagrams in real time. So for the future trends and innovations in Ishikawa, in the future, we'll see better visual techniques, global adoption, and integration with AI and analytics. The Ishikawa diagram is evolving, but the goal remains the same. That is, solve the real problem. Other than that is enhanced visualization technique and global adoption and standardization. To wrap up, the Ishikawa diagram helps us break down complex problems, identify root causes, and collaborate better. It fits naturally into Six Sigma and is a vital tool in the project management toolkit. So the conclusion, the power of the Ishikawa diagram, structured and visual, root causes focus, team collaboration, integrates easily, and key in the mind, DMAIC. So the quote from the Ishikawa, failure is the seed of the success. The meaning is when you detect the fail, you improve it and it will lead you to the success. So here you can see my reference that I refer to study about fishbone diagram, and that's all from me, Muhammad Jazmi bin Muledi, explaining about the Ishikawa diagram. Thank you so much. If you have any question, just hit the comment button below.